Hello guys, welcome to IndianExpress.com. We are here to talk about Bigg Boss. So yesterday was yet again a massive fight episode where we saw Swami and Priyanka Jagga getting more personal to the contestants. I have with me Arushi Jain who's gonna throw a light on it.
So yesterday we saw Bigg Boss yet again resumed the love letter task, but Priyanka Jagga and Swami Om are not ready to get into the task, and once again they do not perform the task. Instead they involve in commenting on the contestants, and we saw Priyanka Jagga getting too much personal with Manu Punjabi, and she even commented on his mother's demise. Like that was completely off the hook. Like you cannot talk about somebody's this grievous loss. And she even said that if I am lucky that I have all my family members in my family, and people here are in this playing this game even when
all this tragedy has happened
exactly
in life. In fact, I saw her commenting on Mona also. I mean, she was commenting on her dressing sense, and how she would not be allowed to stay in anybody's house. And to add on to it, we all know when Priyanka Jagga is in the house, then Swami Om gets wings to fly. So he ultimately went on to comment on live-in relationship of Manu and his girlfriend,
Piku. This is exactly where Manoj Punjabi lost his cool. He was like, you cannot comment on my personal life. You can comment on whatever is happening inside the Bigg Boss house, but outside the house, whatever happens is none of their business.
Exactly. And at that moment, what I really liked is that entire house except Bani and Gaurav, who were very much into the task and into their own self. Entire house, including Lopa and Rohan, was supportive of Manoj, and they ganged up against Swami Om, which was really nice of them. And I also saw Nithiba talking about Bani and Gaurav, that how they are least bothered about what is happening in the house.
Yeah, they were more concerned about each other. They were happy in playing the game of the love letter. They were happy exchanging lovey-dovey message. And later in the day, we even saw them having a romantic date with each other.
Yeah.
So they were least bothered and least affected with whatever was happening inside the house.
Yeah, but so what happened yesterday, the entire controversy and the entire fight has led to the point that Swami has been punished. Now he was told to repair the door he had broken in yesterday's task.
Yeah, so and even Manveer told him that he can be a carpenter, but somebody else commented that we don't think that anybody would appoint Swami Om as the carpenter in the house, and we hope so that does not happen in the future. Later we saw that in today's episode, contestants' family members and their close ones will visit the house, and we will see Priyanka Jagga's kids coming inside the house
and Mona Lisa's boyfriend. So a lot is gonna happen in today's episode.
Yeah, so let's see what happens in tonight's episode. Stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching IndianExpress.com.